Hi guys, welcome back to Dharani Creations. Today to control all appliances by using a remote. Let's see how to make it. We need an Arduino Uno, four-channel relay module, IR receiver, and few jumpers. Connect the jumpers to the IR receiver. Let's upload the code. The code is given in the description. Give remote signal to the IR receiver. Copy the numbers. Let's upload the code. You need to download IR Remote library. Select the board as Arduino Uno. Select commas from 3 Arduino Uno. You need to paste the numbers which you copied in the serial monitor. I have glued all the components in a wooden board to make the project neat. Let's give power to the Arduino Uno. Let's check. Yes, it's working. We can also control in the normal TV remote. It's working. I have connected the bulb to the relay module. Let's check it. It's working. We can not only control with TV remote, we can also control with this remote. Let's control. If you like this video, click the like button. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, share, comment, subscribe to Dharani Creation. We can see in the next video.